Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hopes all of you are very fine and staying at home. Dear students, our today's topic is to understand the importance of crop rotation. But before starting our topic, we will discuss the differences between fertilizers and manures. Fertilizers and manure we have done in our last class. So let's do the differences. Listen student, the first and the very basic difference is fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt and the manures are the natural substances which are obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and the plant residues. Second is fertilizers are prepared in factories, but manure can be prepared in fields. Fertilizer doesn't provide humus to the soil, but manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. As you know, humus is very important for the growth of the crops. And the last point is fertilizers are very rich in nutrients. Manure is less rich in plant nutrients. That's why fertilizers are used instead of manures. Now, one more thing is here. Then what are the advantages of manures? Listen students, manure enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous and it increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. I have already told you in the first class. Now, our today's topic is crop rotation. First of all, what is the meaning of crop rotation? Listen beta, crop rotation means growing different crops alternately. Different crops and alternately. And why it is done? It is used to replenish the soil or refill the soil with nutrients. As you know beta, if we are growing the same type of crop on the same type of soil again and again, then the soil will become less in the nutrients. So we have to replenish the soil to grow the crop again. So to refill the soil with nutrients, we use the process of crop rotation. And how it is done? The farmers around us used to grow leguminous plants as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. Why they are using the leguminous plants? Why they are growing the leguminous plant in one season? Beta, in the 7th class we have discussed leguminous plants have nodes in their roots and in those nodes rhizobium lives. And what rhizobium do? Rhizobium fixes the atmospheric nitrogen. Thus, rhizobium increases. It means leguminous plants increases the content of nitrogen in the soil. That's why farmers are using legumes as fodder in one season so that in the next season wheat production can be very good. Okay student, it's our topic for today, and in the next class we will discuss the process of irrigation. Thank you all. Have a good day.